Hi, this is Shiva. So in the last video session we have discussed how to install Oracle Enterprise Linux 5th version and VMware software, and I have shown practical part also. So in this video session, so we are going to see how to install Oracle 11G R2 version. Okay. So in order to install Oracle 11G R2, so we must have to follow some steps. So what are the steps? So we are going to see now. Just look at the screen. First, to install VMware software. Already we did this in the last video session. Next, install Oracle Enterprise Linux version. So this also we have completed in last video session. Next, the last thing is install Oracle 11G R2 softwares. Okay. So as we have discussed these softwares, so as we have installed these softwares in the last video session. Okay. So just we will concentrate on third part. So what is the third part here? Installing Oracle 11G R2 software in Oracle Enterprise Linux. So the very first step is, so we have to download Oracle 11G R2 software from Oracle site. Okay. So after downloading, so this step I am not going to show because already you so aware how to download Oracle 11G R2 software. Okay. Just you go to Google and type download of Oracle 11G R2 software. So it can be had by two zip files. Two zip files are there. So select 11G R2 version. Select 11G R2 version. So two files are there. So to select two files and download them. So after downloading them, out of downloading, so you can have a zip file. So when you make unzip, what happens? You are going to see a database folder. So within database folder, so you are going to see a file called run installer. So before going to invoke this run installer, so we have to perform some steps. So what are the steps here? First, create a group. So how to create a group? So as a root user, first of all you have to create a group. So in order to create a group, so you execute a command called group add -g 700. So this is group ID. Okay. So this must be created as a root user. So after completion of this one, so you have to create Oracle user. So how to create Oracle user? So using user add command, user add -u 701 group, and this is DBA group 701. So you have to add this Oracle user under DBA group -u 701 -g DBA -d. I will explain this. Home Oracle minus otherwise simply you can say Oracle. Now this command is going to create a user called Oracle. So as per the OFA, Oracle Flexible Architecture, Oracle documentation, so we have to create two groups. One is DBA and another one is OInstall group. So I am not creating OInstall group. Okay. So it is not mandatory. So in my video session I am creating DBA group. So under DBA group I am keeping Oracle user. So this user add command is going to create a new user. So for this user, a user ID called 701 is added. -g indicates group. Okay. So DBA indicates already we have created one group called DBA. So under this DBA group, so we are creating a user called Oracle. And what is this D indicates here? So this particular group, Oracle group, so will be created under this folder, home Oracle folder. Okay. This is second step. For the first step, you have created a group. the group name is DBA, and in the next step, so we are creating a Oracle user under DBA group. So the next step is, so we have to create software folders. So what are the necessary software folders? Like mkdir -p u01 app Oracle product 11.2.0 and after creation of this directory, next you have to change ownership on this directory to Oracle user. So how to change ownership here? So you can transfer ownership like this by using ch ownership command, ch1, and specify the directory name to be granted to Oracle DBA. And next thing is change ownership, ch mod -p 755/u01 app. Means by this ch mod command, what happens here? So you are making this folder. You are making this folder as read-write executable for user. 55 means other permissions we are giving. So give execute ch mod command like this. Next one is, so create one more folder. This is mkdir -p /u01 app Oracle data the database name data, and the database name, let us say the database name is something like cricket, or use specify data, that's all. And grant ownership, change owner, grant permissions on data folder. So how to grant permissions? chmod -p 755 use /u01 app Oracle data. After this, change the ownership. Initially for data, root becomes owner because the particular directory was created by root user. So change the ownership. ch1 -p say u01 app Oracle data to DBA and Oracle user. DBA is a group, Oracle is the username. Okay, so these are the prerequisites for installation of Oracle software. First of all, DBA group, and we have to create Oracle user, and in the next step just you have to set password also. So you set password. To set password, just use password Oracle. Now it is going to ask you for password. Okay, so this mkdir, so this directory, this is for storing Oracle binaries, means where you want to store the Oracle software. So the directory, first of all, you have to create. So after that, so you are granting ownership on this directory u01 app. Okay, of course automatically this is created, Next, so you have to grant read write permission, read write execute permissions on app folder. Next thing is, so this is for storing mkdir -p u01 app Oracle Oradata. So these are for keeping CRD files. So what are the CRD files? In the last video session we have discussed control files, redo log files and data files. So this is for keeping which one? Oracle binaries. This is for keeping Oracle binary, Oracle software, and this is for keeping or CRD files. Okay, that means when you create a new database, so all the database CRD files are stored in this folder, Oradata folder. Okay, this is granting ownership and this is the changing permissions. And one thing you have to remember, so as we have installed OEL 5.0, so these requirements are not required. So this is not required. That means, so this creation of the creation of DBA group is not required. Creation of Oracle is not required. Okay, and creation of this directory also not required. So just thing is we have to perform this action, this one. These three commands we have to execute. Okay, so creation of DBA group and creation of Oracle user, creation of this directory, changing permissions and changing ownership. All these actions are performed by Oracle. Because in the last video session, so we have installed OEL version. So in the OEL version, automatically group is created, Oracle user is created, and all the RPMs are also created because we have selected Oracle validated packages in the last video session. Okay, so you need not to perform all these things here. You need not to bother about all these things. Automatically group is created. So this step is exempted. So you need not execute this step. So this step also not required. And MKD, so creation of this directory is also not required. And this is also not required. So next one is, so you have to create this directory. So this directory is especially for storing our Oracle CRD files. And after this, make the permission on the Oradata. Next, change the ownership to Oracle user. So these three steps are compulsory. So after completion of these steps, so you have to create one profile file. The profile file name is bash profile file. Bash profile file. So how to set bash profile file? Just I will explain. So bash profile file is nothing but it is a execute of the shell script which is going to be executed when you log on to a user. Now this is going to indicate the Oracle home folder, Oracle base folder, and the path also indicated in bash profile file. So how to set bash profile file? Where you have to store this? So you have to store this bash profile file in home Oracle folder. Automatically one folder, one bash profile file is created in that. So we have to set the parameters. So how to set the parameters? First, so we have to create a environment variable called Oracle base. Oracle base. Oracle base. So this is for storing which one? /u01 app Oracle product. Map Oracle product. So immediately you have to say semicolon, or at the beginning, so you can add a keyword like export. Automatically it is available from $prompt. So when you say export command, in the next step just you say export Oracle home equal to say $Oracle home, sorry, Oracle base, this is Oracle base by 11.2.0 by db home _1. Okay, so for all the versions like 9th version, 10th version, 11th version, so this directory becomes base, Oracle base folder. Okay, so this is the common folder for all versions. So when you want to install Oracle 11G R2 version, export to Oracle home equal to Oracle base. Oracle base means previously we have set Oracle base equal to U01 app Oracle product. Okay, up to this Oracle base is common for every version. So as we are installing 11th version, I have given path like this 11.2.0 DB home. This DB home indicates what? Oracle home. So within this Oracle home, all the Oracle binaries means Oracle software is stored. So at the end you have to add export path equal to $path. Some path is there up to here, just to put a colon and use $Oracle home /bin. So within DB folder, DB home folder, you are going to have one bin folder. Now it is going to have all binary executable files. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to set bash profile file. So every time, so when you want to create a new database, or when you want to interact with the database server, so you must have to execute this file. So when you execute this file automatically, so these environment variables are set. Okay, so as we have discussed, so this group add is not required, user add is not required, making directories is also not required. Just the thing is we have to make, so this you have to create these directories. This is our creating CRD files. Okay, so just I will show the installation.